Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great, and in this video we're going to be talking about custom button styles. Uh, so I mean, you must have encountered a situation in SwiftUI where you are creating a whole bunch of or you're creating a whole bunch of buttons and adding custom modifiers on it. Now if you want to centralize that style for the button, well, in SwiftUI you can simply do that using a button style protocol. So let's take a look how you can actually build a custom button in SwiftUI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a struct and I'm going to call this rounded corner button. Okay, and we're gonna basically extend or inherit from the protocol that's button style. Okay, so button style is, if we take a look, all right, so it's a protocol that expects you to basically provide the functionality for make body, and it actually gives you access to configuration, and we're going to be actually leveraging that configuration capability. So as soon as you you extend or inherit this protocol, what happens is you need to provide this make body, because you're gonna see this issue right here, the error being reported. So let's go ahead and take a look if this technique work. Okay, so I just pressed command option control option command to fix, and it did not fix what I was actually trying to fix. Anyways, that was a failed attempt. Okay, let me do this manually. So this method is the only requirement that you need to build it out. Okay, and it's gonna return some sort of view. Now for our rounded corner button, what we want to do is we want to get an image and a color from the caller, and then we're going to use that inside our make body. So I'm going to create two functions or two properties. First is going to be image, and another one is going to be color. So first one is going to take the image that we want to show in the button and the color of the button. Okay, now we're going to create a h stack, and inside this h stack I'm going to put a spacer. Okay, and after that I'm going to take the image that we have been provided. I set the foreground color for that to be color dot white dot opacity 0.7. okay, and I also want to add the font for this to be title. Okay, and for the label, the label that's actually being set on the button itself, we're gonna get access to it using configuration object, and we're gonna say configuration label. Okay, and this is how we get the access to label, and we're gonna say we need the foreground color, and we want to set the foreground color to be white, and that's about it. These are the only things that we need to set inside the button. So let me take a look and see what is the issue. No issue. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to add some padding to this, and we do want to add a background to this guy. So I'm going to say color dot corner radius is going to be 20 points. So we're going to use that color as a background with corner radius of 20, and we do want to provide a scale effect. So again, go to configuration. If button is pressed, then scale it to 75%, otherwise show it to full scale 1. Okay, all right, so this is our custom style that we have just created. Now let's go ahead and use this. So I'm going to create a VStack, and inside this VStack, I actually closed the canvas by mistake, so let me open that. Okay, inside the VStack we are going to create a button. All right, and we're gonna take the action the one that takes action, and the label. I don't care what we call this button because we are just looking at the button style. So I'm going to say button style right there, and I'm going to say call rounded corner button. And for the image, we're gonna first one, maybe we're gonna provide system name person dot fill. Okay, color, background color maybe orange. All right, and let me copy this and paste it right here, and we're gonna create button 2, and this one is gonna be lock. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna resume by pressing Command Option P. Okay, so there we go. We have this button. I wanna change it to blue color. There we go. Okay, and add some padding to this guy. So as you can see, with the help of this custom button style, we did not have to repeat this whole thing over and over. We just created a style and then we applied that style onto the button. Now this gives us a great flexibility, like, you know, we have a centralized code, and anytime we want to make changes to the look and feel of the button, for example, I feel like, you know, I need to make this a little bit more bright. Okay, then I'm just gonna increase the foreground color to be 0.9, or I want to make it like, you know, really faded, just like a ghost image like that. So I can actually make that change, and as you can see, I'm making change in one place and it's taking, like, you know, effect everywhere. Same, like, you know, I just want to have, like, you know, a footnote kind of effect for this one, or title 2. As you can see, like, you know, I don't have to worry about, like, you know, doing it over and over, or finding and replacing the value. So that's the idea behind, like, creating custom style, and this actually gives you an opportunity to create these style guides that you can later on use, like, you know, throughout your project with the shared code. All right, so this is what I want to show you today, like, you know, how you can create a custom button style in SwiftUI. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching.